Myself, Arun Goswami, I'm a sculptor, designer, creative photographer, and a teacher. Being teacher, this is my responsibility to share my knowledge and expertise with you all, so that we all can learn from each other. Right? This is like something good, and I really like it because with this, when I share my knowledge and expertise with you all, I enrich myself. Right? So today what all I am going to do today I'm going to teach you how to make a dog biter, gripper, a toy and a catcher, which is very difficult to go out in the market and buy because it's not available, which I've developed myself and I'm like really enjoying it. Right? So you really don't have to do much, means like there are certain things available with us when we have a pet, but the thing is you should know how you can make it, because when you have to use it with your pet, with your dog, it's gonna get spoiled also, right? So you really need to have a new one. So if you know, you can make it at home. आज मैं आप लोगों को बताने वाला हूं, अगर आपके पास पेट है, क्योंकि अगर हमारे पास पेट है भी, हम उनको अपने फैमिली मेंबर की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं, स्पेशली डॉग. राइट? डॉग्स के साथ क्या मीन्स वी रियली डोंट गिव देम टाइम एंड दे रियली गेट बोर. सो अगर आपके पास कोई गार्ड डॉग है या बड़ी ब्रीड है डॉग की, उसको इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए, उनके साथ प्ले करने के लिए आपने क्या करना है? राइट? सबसे बेस्ट तरीका है मीन्स जिससे उनकी ट्रूथ की एक्सरसाइज हो करके, राइट, बाइटिंग के हो, ग्रास्पिंग पावर्स डेवलप होने के लिए, राइट, एंड दे रियली गेट एक्साइटेड एंड गेट एंजॉय. राइट? You need to have a biter, grasper, catcher. Right? It's really going to help you and you're going to enjoy it and your pet also going to enjoy it. So for that what you have to do means nothing. उसके लिए आपको कुछ नहीं करना. आपको सबके पास, जब हमारे पास एनिमल है मीन्स पेट है करके, स्पेशली डॉग, राइट, तो डॉग लीश आप सबके पास ही होगी. When you have to use leash, keep one thing in mind, it should be of nylon, not a metal one or a wire one, because with this, while playing, while driving it, you can hurt your dog, right? It can hurt. But the thing is, this nylon one, nothing will happen to your pet, to your dog, right? जब आप अपने डॉग को कैचर के साथ या ग्रिपर के साथ प्ले कर रहे हैं, आपको नाइलन का एक लीश चाहिए होगा. जब आपके पास पेट है तो यानी कि नेचुरली आपके पास हैगा. सो नाउ हाउ डू वी हैव टू यूज दिस? जस्ट दिस लीश एंड एनी ओल्ड क्लॉथ, राइट? आपको इसके लिए कहीं पे नहीं जाना, ये हमारे पास आराम से रहता है घर में. हमारे जैसे पुराने कपड़े हो जाते हैं, अब हम उनको क्या करें, उनको फेंक देते हैं. नाउ यू आर नॉट सपोज टू सी व्हेन यू हैव योर ओल्ड क्लोथ्स व्हिच यू थिंक इज ऑफ नो यूज, राइट, and you have to throw them out. So don't throw them. Now means I'm going to tell you or teach you how are you going to use them and can make a gripper, right? For that what you have to do means, as this I've got my old t-shirt, this is of no use to me, right? I will fold it properly like this. इसको हमने फोल्ड करने का 3 layers के अंदर, and then like this. इसको हमने फोल्ड जब कर लिया करके, नाउ आई विल ट्विस्ट इट, आई विल गिव इट अनदर फोल्ड लाइक दिस, राइट? आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हाट डू आई हैव टू डू? हमने ये जो दिस कॉटन रोप, वी आर गोना यूज इट बिकॉज इट्स गोना गिव गुड टाई. एटलीस्ट यू नीड टू हैव 4 to 5 meters ऑफ दिस थिंग लाइक दिस. इसको हमने डबल करा, राइट? डबल करने के बाद हमने नॉट देकर के, जब ये डबल हो गया, हमने इसको अगेन फर्दर फोल्ड करना है. आफ्टर फोल्डिंग दिस व्हाट डू वी हैव टू डू मींस लाइक इसको हम सेंटर में से इस तरीके से लेके जाएंगे लाइक दिस, इक्वली डिवाइड करेंगे. जब ये इक्वली डिवाइड हो जाएगा, now we have to give it a knot. Knot should be properly done so that while driving it, it wouldn't get open. And he enjoys in pulling it, right, in biting it. We'll give it double knot. One more knot I'm gonna give it. Like this. After this, what do I have to do? This thing came out sleeve, so I just put it inside. After putting it inside, what do I have to do means, now I'm gonna tie it. When I have to tie it, keep in one thing mind, like after making it like this, I have to tie it from 3 sides, right? Like this. आपको इस तरीके से इसको बांधना है. So that means he feels it like a sleeve, like a leg, right? And he enjoys it. Tie it properly so that he can't get it open easily. You have to tie it properly, right? It shouldn't get it open easily. So that means when you drive it, your dog feel it like a arm, like a lap, right? In biting. Now, I'm going to apply one more, but you have to tie it properly. Because when I made it, I was looking for it in the market, something like this. So I looked around, but I could not find anything. They were like, few, but I didn't enjoy it. But then suddenly it got into my mind, why not create something like this? So I had this leash lying around my house. So I said, why not use it? Then as I developed these things, I used it. Now I'm really enjoying it, and he really gets excited whenever I catch hold of this thing. And the thing is, when I have it in my hand, he's quite active. Okay? And he really enjoys it. And I really like it. Now means, these extra strings, we'll cut them. These coming outward, we'll cut them. See, now for this gripper it's ready, but keep one thing in mind when you will make it, right? Neither it should be too light nor should be too heavy. And the best part is when you have it with you, I said when you have it with you, your dog, he's gonna get the feel of arm, right, like legs, and when he will bite it, he's gonna feel happy. And the thing is, you will be able to pull and able to see when you pull it, you will be able to see the right strength inside him. And the thing is, see, now our toy, our biter, gripper, catcher is ready with a rope. So as I drag the rope around, he's gonna catch it and he will love it. He's gonna enjoy it. Plus, you will be able to see the excitement, which I'm gonna show you in the next video. The way I drive in, how does he respond to it, right? The catch of it, which is good experience. So, until next video, where I'm gonna show you how to play with this thing with your dog. Goodbye. Namaskar.